Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take analog values from a 12-channel IR sensor array using an Arduino Nano and a 16-channel multiplexer module. If you're a robotics enthusiast or just someone exploring electronics, this channel is perfect for you. Please subscribe to my channel and turn in the bell button to get the notification of my new videos. Here, I have a 12-channel IR sensor array that I built myself. If you're interested in using one, you can order a custom-made IR sensor array from me. I offer 5, 6, 8, and 12-channel IR sensor arrays that are perfect for line-following robots. Utilizing a 16-channel 74HC4067 multiplexer module, an Arduino Nano, and a breadboard. Here's the challenge. The 12-channel sensor array requires 12 analog pins. But the Arduino Nano has only 7 analog pins. That's where the multiplexer comes in. This module allows me to connect up to 16 analog channels using just a few control pins, making it ideal for this project. Let's move on to the connections. First, place the Arduino Nano on the breadboard. Connect the 5-volt output pin of the Arduino to the positive rail of the breadboard and the ground pin to the negative rail. Next, place the multiplexer module on the breadboard. Connect the VCC pin of the module to the positive rail and the ground pin to the negative rail. Then, connect the enable pin of the multiplexer to the negative rail to activate it. Connect the multiplexer signal pin to one of the Arduino's analog pins according to the pin mapping table. Then, connect the sensor pins to the multiplexer's output pins, from 0 to 11, in sequence. Finally, connect the sensor ground to the breadboard's negative rail and the sensor VCC to the positive rail. And that's it, the hardware setup is complete. In the next steps, I'll show you how to write the code to read analog values from all 12 channels. Connect Arduino with the computer. Now open Arduino IDE software. Define the signal pins of the multiplexer connected to the Arduino. Creates an array named sensor, of size 12 to store the analog readings for up to 12 channels from the multiplexer. Initializes serial communication at a baud rate of 9600 for debugging purposes. Configures the single pin connected to the Arduino as an output to control the multiplexer. The select channel function configures the multiplexer to select the desired channel by setting the control pins based on the binary representation of the channel number. Incorporating a for loop that iterates through channels 0 to 14, 15 channels in total, to read their values. Select channel calls the function to select the channel on the multiplexer. Analog read function to read the analog signal from the selected channel and store it in the corresponding index of the sensor array. Serial print sends the sensor reading for the current channel to the serial monitor, separated by spaces. prints a new line after readings for all channels are sent. Select the board Arduino Nano. Select the port and select the processor of your Arduino Nano. Then upload the code. Open the serial monitor and the sensor value is displayed. Let's check the sensor values. When you keep hands on the sensor, then the value will be less than 100. Otherwise, the value will be greater than 800 or 900. You can extend the channel up to 16 channels simply by changing here. Now it is showing 16 analog values. Thank you for watching the full video.